And then this is the fraction unread, fractions of the book unread, which is 1/4. Meaning that if 1/4 of the book is unread, definitely the numbers of pages read will be 3/4. So that means this part that is read is, the fraction of it is 3/4. So this is the fraction of the book that is unread, that is not read. 1/4 of the book is not read. That means the total book is 4/4. So if 1 out of 4 is unread, that means 3/4 is read. And this 3/4 is the fractions of the book that is read, which is equivalent to this 255. So let's go on to the main questions of the lesson. It says, how many pages are there in the book? Now, for us to know how many pages are there in the book, first of all, we have to know pages read and fractions of pages read. Now, so we now know that the pages read is 255. Then 3/4 is equivalent to the fractions of the pages that is read. So if 3/4 is the pages read, this 3 means 3 out of 4. So the 3 out of the 4 and the 3 out of 4 of the pages of the total pages is 255. That means the total pages will be what? 4. Will be 4/4. So to find pages that are in the book, which is the total pages, we are simply just going to use what we have to find what we don't have. We have the numbers of the pages read, and then we have the fractions of the pages what that is read. Okay, so we are just going to flip over these fractions by writing 4/3, because 4 represents the total pages, and then these 3 represent the pages that is read. So multiply by the numbers of the pages read. So we have 4/3 times 2 times 255/1. Now what we now need to do is to consider what is divisible, common factor of what can be divided in the numerator and then in the denominator. So 3 in 3, here goes, we have 1. 3 can't divide 2, so we pair 2 and 5 together, and that makes 25. So 3 in 25, that is 8, because 3 times 8 will give you 24. And then if you take away 24 from 25, you are going to be left with 1. So we are going to pair this remnant of 1 with 5, making it 15. And then we divide further by saying, how many 3 goes in 15? And that will be what? 5. So we have 4 times 85 left in the numerator, which is 4 times 5. And that will give you 20. So you put 0 at the end, and then you imagine that you've raised 2 here. And then 4 times 8, and that will give you 32. So 32 plus 2, and that will give you what? 34. So there are 340 pages in the book. And that is